Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to buy USDT on Bitget. Buying USDT is important as it's widely used for trading and transfers in the crypto world. So, let's get started on how to buy USDT on Bitget. First, open the Bitget app on your device. Tap on the trade button from the bottom of your screen. In the trade section, you will see options for buy and sell. Make sure to select the buy option. Above the buy and sell buttons, you will see the currency option. Tap on it and select USDT from the list. Now, in the quantity box, enter the amount of USDT you want to purchase. Next, tap the buy button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, USDT will appear on your account. And this is how you can buy USDT on Bitget. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.